Hi, I'm Alex Buckentine, Senior Project Manager with Iron River Construction. Today I'm in Carver, Minnesota, standing here with Annette Hentz. We've done 3 remodel projects for the Hentz residents. We started with taking care of the roof after a recent hailstorm. Then we moved on, completed a screen porch remodel for them to give them awesome views in their backyard. Most recently, this amazing kitchen renovation. In a few words, Annette, if you could just explain your experience with Iron River Construction.
Sure. Our 5-year relationship so far with Iron River has been phenomenal. We've experienced quality construction with quality products at a fair price. They've met our budgets. We have seen them adhere to timelines just phenomenally, and they are flexible with customer needs, customer wants, and most important to me possibly is the people that have been in our house. We have actually made friends with some of them, so I would highly recommend Iron River for any project, and if we decide to finish our basement, Iron River will get that job too.
Well, thank you so much for your time today, Annette. Really appreciate our working relationship and look forward to working with you in the future.